Hi, this is Peter from OpenBOM. Today I'm going to talk about the new Onshape integration features, the new redesign on September 2024. First of all, if you have not done so, just install the OpenBOM add-in from the App Store. So you can just search by OpenBOM and you can just subscribe and install the app. Once you have done so, you should have an extra panel when you open an Onshape document. So if you have an assembly open, you should see two side panels where you can start configuring your settings. So most of the things should be ready to go, and you should be able to click create a bill of material. But you can look into the settings and review some of the options available at the moment. So see, quite excited to see the new redesign. So everything is now more grouped together, so you can control derivative files if they are being generated or not, like step files or DXFs from sheet metal components. You can choose the catalog to send data to. You can also configure which sort of properties from Onshape you want to map into OpenBOM, and you can also auto categorize new items or new parts according to Onshape categories and select the respective catalog if you decide to use categorization. So, um, so I'll start by just generating a new bill of material. You can just do so by updating or generating the bill. So it will log in with your account, ask for your credentials. So that will take a couple of seconds. So once that's done, you will have a full bill of material just created. Any sort of remaining derivative files, you can also see it on the top being generated like steps. So, some of these files can take a bit longer, like large assemblies. They will be being generated on the top. You can open the full bill of material in a full web browser window. And even if you want to combine like other items and add other catalogs like materials or any other items, you can add those and just create a complete bill of material through them. So let's just add a few catalogs here, and you can even add other items to your bill of material and create a full complete BOM, like say packaging. So you can add those and create a complete BOM structure. So any sort of a CAD updates from Onshape will not change any sort of non-model items added to the bill of material. So other features available also look to our tight integration with Onshape settings. So if we go into component properties, we fully support settings like exclude from BOM and also the subassembly behavior. So this, for example, will be a purchase assembly that shows the assembly on the BOM only, and show components only option will be like more like a phantom assembly where it just brings the parts one level up. So that's basically you are dissolving the subassembly. So this is commonly used when you have assemblies just for drawing only purposes or for performance and things that you actually don't physically track when you do manufacturing and production. You can also change the order of components in your bill of material. They can, follow any sort of sequence that you might want for other purposes. And also, lately, we also have the ability to insert this bill of materials from inside this Onshape drawing. So first on drawings, you can also select to link them to be PDF generated. So so you can select those options, linking it to the items and also inserting them to bill of material. So you can, for example, just insert a bill of material like a multi-level BOM. So now we support all these different options, and we can generate bill of material just inside the drawing. After you have done this generation, you can insert them on using the insert BOM table. Also then choose the insert button and choose the BOM data tab, and then you'll have your generated bill of material just ready to be inserted in Onshape. Okay, so notice that you also have the non-model items instead of for complete bill of materials, um, and you can manage them efficiently. So other benefits, obviously, all those derivative files are generated and available, so you can immediately take advantage of that. You can open drawings directly from OpenBOM. You can also quickly export all these derivative files into a zip file, so saving you time to manage all these production outputs that you want to share with suppliers and others. And all of this is available into the OpenBOM integration. So if you have any questions, email us at support@openbom.com. Thank you.